Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming the units you will use, knots, nautical miles, and degrees, because mismatches cause errors. Once done, set any date or wind reference and verify the device has power or a working static function. Next, align the index marks. Rotate the inner and outer scales so 0 or your baseline lines up. This is the first action that makes calculations meaningful. Make sure the scales move freely, and that you understand which scale represents. Now you enter the wind and speed calculation sequence. You place the wind direction on the azimuth and slide the magnitude so it reads correctly on the speed scale. This creates a wind vector. Then, transfer that vector to the true airspeed mark to read ground speed. This step tells you how the wind alters progress. Once you have ground speed, read off the correction angle for heading, and remember to adjust for magnetic variation. Doing these steps in order prevents compounding errors. Finish by computing time en route. Divide the planned distance by your ground speed and convert hours to minutes. This gives ETA and fuel needs. Next, multiply that time by your fuel burn rate and add any required reserve. This is the actual fuel requirement. Once done, verify by back-calculating distance from your ETA and ground speed. If numbers disagree, adjust heading, speed, or wind input and recalculate. Troubleshooting tip: if results seem off, recheck unit settings and a single misaligned index. Correcting that usually fixes the error.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.